Good morning, Year 2. Today, in our English, we are going to practice adding punctuation to a sentence. I wonder, can you tell your mum or dad some examples of punctuation that you have learned in Year 2? I wonder, can you remember things like a full stop, an exclamation mark, a question mark, and a finger space? We have also covered commas and apostrophes as well. Let's see if you can remember what these mean. I'm going to draw them and I want you to see if you can tell your mum or dad what they are. Are you ready? Let's go. What does this mean? Ah, yes, that's a full stop. It goes at the end of a sentence. What about this one? We practiced this yesterday. That's question mark. We use that when we ask somebody and we're trying to get some information from them. The other one that we're focusing on today is an exclamation mark. So we use this to indicate surprise. I'll explain this further later. And this is a comma. It is for a list. And finally, we have an apostrophe. It is often seen in words such as I've and I'm. These are examples of contractions. We've talked about these before. Right, are you ready for the game? Here we go. So you have to guess the missing punctuation. How many different pieces of punctuation can you think of? We've named some. Here we go. Finger space, full stop, capital letter, question mark, exclamation mark, commas and apostrophe. Please pause your video and read each one. Here's our game. I hope you enjoy it. This is called hidden punctuation. It's a sneaky balloon covering up one piece of punctuation in each of these sentences. Decide what that piece of punctuation should be. Click on the balloon to pop it and check if you are right. So make your decision first before you pop the balloon. So the first one is, how old are you? What balloon do you think you might pop? I think that it might be a question mark. See? Fantastic. Well done if you guessed that. The next one is tidy your room straight away. What goes at the end of this sentence, I wonder? I think it might be a full stop. Let's check. Fantastic if you guessed a full stop. Next one, this sentence is missing two pieces of punctuation. I can't believe what I've seen. So the first piece of punctuation, see if you can tell your mum or dad that it's missing, is an apostrophe. And at the end, it's a sentence that we could read with expression. I can't believe what I've seen. So it needs an exclamation mark. Well done if you've guessed that. Now, each of the following sentences are missing one piece of popping punctuation. So you have to see if you can guess what the missing punctuation is. Click on the correct balloon to show which piece of punctuation is missing. So, what is your name? So, what's the missing punctuation? Click on the correct balloon. You do it. Well done if you guess question mark. The next one is, we wear our hats, coats and scarves when it is cold. This is a bit more tricky. I wonder what's missing in our list. Have a guess. Well done if you guessed commas, because it's missing a comma. Next one is, I'm going to Harold's birthday party. Now the next one, this is a tricky one. I'm going to Harold's birthday party. See if you can pause your video and tell your mum or dad what it's missing. I wonder, is it perhaps a comma? I don't think so. I think it must be an apostrophe because it belongs to Harold. It is Harold's birthday party. Let's check. Fantastic if you said apostrophe. Well done. Here's our final one. Does the train stop at this station? So what am I asking? I am asking a question because I'm looking for more information. So it is missing a question mark at the end. So let's check. Fantastic if you said question mark. I hope you enjoyed that game, Year 2. Now you are going to go and practice adding exclamation marks to sentences. Well done for your great work today. Play your punctuation game again later in the week as a reminder. Thank you.